Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and if you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Dominique and welcome to my channel. So today's video has been a highly requested video, oh my days. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking everything graphic eyeliner, and I'm going to be starting a new mini series here on my channel which will include different things about graphic eyeliner. If you guys know me from my Instagram, you know that I absolutely love graphic liner, and you guys call me the CEO of graphic eyeliner, which is so cute. So kicking off my series, I'm going to be including lots of different videos. Today's video is going to be focusing on the techniques because that's something that you guys voiced to me on Instagram that you guys struggle with, so that is what I'm going to focus on today. That's it. If that's something you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Okay. So in today's video, I'm going to be focusing on techniques, and there's going to be 4 different techniques or tips that I'm going to be showing you guys, which definitely helped me change and glow up my eyeliner game. Firstly, we're going to be focusing on your hand stance and controlling the brush. Then we're going to be focusing on hooded eyelids and some advice and technique about those with hooded eyelids. Then we're going to be focusing on transferring of eyeliner, and this is like the bane of my life because I have super creasy eyelids. And then lastly, I'm going to be focusing on symmetry, so kind of getting the graphic liner to look similar on both eyes. So first up is hand stance. So this is something that I definitely struggled with when I first started out doing my graphic eyeliners. My hands were like super shaky when I'm trying to do my eyeliner looks, and obviously with graphic eyeliner it's all about the precision, the cleanness. Oh my god guys, I need to post on Instagram. It is 7:20. Hold that thought. So with graphic eyeliner, it's really important that you find a comfortable position to do your eyeliner in, because that's going to really help you when you're doing your eyeliner and trying to get a straight line and kind of eliminating those shaky hands. So what I like to do is have a flat surface below me, such as a table. My dominant hand is my right hand, so I place my left hand onto the table, and then with my left hand down here, I place the elbow onto this hand, and then I'm able to control my hand position because my hand is resting on a table, which is resting on an arm, which is then resting like this, and that really helps me kind of get a little bit of stability, because if I was doing my eyeliner just like freehand like this, it's going to be all shaky and wonky, and you're not going to have that control that you really want and need when you do graphic eyeliner. So I get in this stance like this, and then I rest my hand on my cheek, so again that gives me more stability when I'm doing my eyeliner. And then I look into the mirror, there's like no mirror here, and then I look into the mirror and then do whatever I need to do. And by adding the hand onto your face again, it stops your hand from kind of just flying about like this, which is not what you want. It's going to allow you to control your hand and let only your fingers move the brush, and it's just going to make your eyeliner look a lot smoother and a lot neater. It did take me a while to kind of find out this hand position and what works for me. Again, this is something that really helps me get that control. And I'm going to show you in real time how quickly I can do eyeliner because my fingers have all of the control. Literally like that, and then I'm just going to fill it in. And that is how quickly I can do my eyeliner, because doing that stance gives me so much control. And as you can see, it goes in the exact direction where I want it to go, and it looks super sharp and smooth. So hopefully you guys can use that technique, and hopefully that will bring you a little bit more stability when you're doing your eyeliner and eliminate those really shaky lines that you can get. Over time, you'll perfect your own kind of position and you will get used to it and your hands will become less shaky. But for now, if you try this technique out, hopefully that will help you and hopefully you'll see a difference in the amount of control that you have and how sharp your lines are. So number 2 is techniques for hooded eyelids. With my eyes, I have a lot of lid space, I really do, but when I look straight into the camera, like head straight on, I lose all of this here. Although my eyes aren't hooded, and I have very large eyes, my eyelids are very, very creasy and I have like a large crease. I have a large crease like right here, which can be really, really problematic when I need to do graphic eyeliner. And to kind of combat that, I needed to work around it to make the eyeliner work for me. So the key here is to draw your eyeliner or your graphic liner above your crease. That is the most important part to help not let your eye look and your liner disappear into the crease. So if I look straight forward here, and you can see this massive crease right here, if I draw my eyeliner in this crease, it's just going to disappear. So the key is to draw your eyeliner above this crease like I've done right here. So if you can see here with this eyeliner here, I have drawn it well above my crease so my eyeliner doesn't get lost in like the creasy folds, which is really, really annoying. Guys, I'm going to demonstrate here for you. Because I've drawn it in my crease, it's completely disappeared. It's completely gone and it's smudged like really, really badly. So what you want to do is you want to draw it above this crease. As you can see, I have drawn it way above my crease, and if I look forward, you can see all of my eyeliner because I've drawn it right above that crease. So for those of you with hooded eyelids, I hope that tip really, really helps you, because when I started doing my graphic liner at first, I was drawing it in the crease and I was like, why is it lost? Where has it gone? I put all in this work for nothing. So it's really, really important that you draw above your crease and make sure that your graphic liner gets shown. So please try this tip out and let me know if this works for you. So next up, we're going to be talking about transferring eyeliner. So transferring eyeliner is honest to God like the bane of my life. I have really, really creasy eyelids, and so when I do like thick liner, if I don't let it set properly, it will transfer into my eyeshadow look and it will just ruin the whole entire look, and it is so frustrating. So here is an example of what it looks like when your eyeliner transfers. So the eyeliner looks all nice and then you go like this. And you look back and it's completely transferred all in your crease, and this is like the worst thing ever, especially when you've done a really intricate eyeshadow look and all your work is ruined. So once your eyeliner is done, you do not want to open your eye. You want to keep looking down like this so your eyeliner has enough time to dry. Then once it's dried, you can just open your eyes back up as normal and it will not transfer. It's dry, so when I open my eyes now and I look down, there is no transfer. So that's a mistake that I used to make all the time, and to be honest, I still do it now. I'm really, really impatient with my looks. I just want to get it done. So when I do my eyeliner, I just move around and look about, and then it's just transferred, and it's just the worst thing ever, especially if you're using black eyeliner, because that can literally just get everywhere and it is so frustrating. So definitely wait for it to dry. It will only take about 30 seconds for it to dry. It won't take long. It's definitely worth waiting those 30 seconds because you don't want to ruin your eye look. That is like the worst thing that can happen. So again, it's just finding out about your eye shape, what works for you, experimenting. And lastly, we're going to be talking about symmetry and how to get your eyeliner looking the same on each eye. Because I've been doing eyeliner a lot now and graphic eyeliner and all that good stuff, I genuinely just eyeball it at this point. If it looks a bit off, I don't mind. It's gonna be like really hard to get it the same, and don't beat yourself up if it doesn't look the same. Currently I know that this is slightly lower than this, but that's okay. It looks cool. I like it. But one thing that you can do to stop this problem is doing your eyeliner step by step on each eye. That really helps me when I first started out trying to get my eyeliner the similar shape, similar length, similar thickness, because it's the worst when this eyeliner is super thin and this one's thick, so you thicken this one up and then this one's too thick and then that one, you have to thicken that one up, and it's like a whole mess. So it's really handy to do each step on each eye so you can closely compare each side to make sure it's like the same length, the same thickness, the same angle before you then move on to the next step. Because when you do like your full eyeliner, it might be a little bit hard to kind of see the differences between each other. Like, you know that they're different, but you don't know what you can do to kind of combat that. So if you do each thing step by step, that is really helpful. So I'm going to do the liner over here. Then I'm going to look at it with my mirror like this. And then I'm going to try and do it on the other side. I check this side. If I'm happy with it, I'll move on to the next step. But if you can't get your eyeliner looking similar, honest to God, please don't worry about it. Practicing and practicing will honestly make perfect. And like I said, my eyeliner isn't the most even today, but hey, who cares? Like, it's fun, it's expressive. Like, don't get caught up too much if it doesn't look exactly the same. So those are my techniques on how to perfect your graphic eyeliner. You want to combine all of these techniques together, and hopefully this will help you with any struggles that you guys are having. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. I didn't want to make it too long or too long-winded. I just wanted to get straight and short to the point. Those techniques really helped me step up my eyeliner game, and if you just keep practicing and practicing, you'll get there and your eyeliner will look absolutely amazing. At first, like I said, mine was absolutely terrible, but with a little bit of practice and determination and finding what's comfortable with me and finding different things that work for me, I'm able to create really great graphic eyeliner looks that I'm really proud of. So next week I will be doing another video in this series, and we're going to be talking about my favourite eyeliners, my favourite brands, the prices, the pros and cons of each, and my favourite eyeliner brushes as well. Please stay tuned for that video. It will be up on Wednesday. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If there's anything else that you struggle with, please let me know in the comments, and hopefully there's enough time for me to address it in the next video, because I want to help you guys and I love graphic liner, and yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and let me know in the comments if there's anything you want to see next. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe and have a wonderful day.